when somebody develops, a healthy person develops blood clot in the coronary artery, the entire body chemistry changes. And when the changes happen, he is more likely to develop fresh clot if you insert a foreign body. So that is exactly what we want to avoid. And he is stable. He has no chest pain, he has no breathing difficulty. It's an elective procedure. That is the reason the entire team decided that we let him go home and let him come back after 15 days and get the procedure done. People think a 48-year-old man, athletic like Sourav, who doesn't drink, doesn't smoke, has no vices, is a fit man, how can he ever develop heart attack? This is the true reality of India. The kind of a lifestyle we lead, irrespective of how strict you are with your lifestyle, irrespective of how athletic you are, you can still develop a heart attack if you do not undergo a preventive checkup at regular intervals. If Sourav had a simple test like a CT scan or any of those various scans which can be done in virtually any street of this country, this incidence of heart attack should have been predicted 15 years ahead, 20 years ahead. This is the message every Indian must understand. It doesn't matter how fit you are, unless you have gone through a preventive checkup at least once in a year or once in 2 years, none of us are spared from this episode. This is the message Sourav wanted to give all of you. I thought I should convey it to you.
Later angioplasty with Shetty, is that mandatory to be done or medication can heal it?
He has the option of both, but medically speaking, the senior doctors gathered here, we believe it's a good idea for him to go for an angioplasty. But that decision we have left it to him to decide.
So how much time are you giving him?
We thought at least 2 weeks he has to wait, then he can take a call.
And it can be done in anywhere in the city?
It can be done anywhere. It can be done anywhere. After this procedure, Sourav can participate in a marathon race. He can even fly a plane. I just want to let you, all of you know, forget about angioplasty. Even if you undergo a bypass grafting, which is lot more intensive than a heart operation, legally you can get a license to fly a civilian plane. That is, your life, on your life depends a life of 300 to 400 passengers. A patient who had a bypass grafting can even fly officially. That fit yours after the surgery, leave alone angioplasty. After angioplasty, they are fit to do anything they want. So Sourav can chase any of his dreams and aspirations without this being any setback. He can get back to cricket if he wants, and he can exercise like a normal person. Because now the question you may like to ask, what is the point in leading a life like Sourav? He exercised all his life, he was athletic, he didn't drink, he didn't smoke, he still had a heart attack. What is the benefit of doing all this? The benefit is Sourav had blockage in tiny isolated area of the coronary artery. Coronary arteries, as you are aware, is a long pipe. Most of the people who drink like fish and smoke like chimney, they develop blockage in the whole length of the artery. But Sourav had only 3 areas of tiny areas of critical blockage. And once it is dealt with, his heart is going to be as normal as anybody else. So this is the advantage of exercising. This is the advantage of not indulging in any of the vices and leading a very, very so-called healthy life. This is what the status is, and if you have any questions, we are happy to answer. First of all, I would like to apologize to all my media friends who have been phoning me for the last 2-3 days, and I haven't discussed about Sourav, mainly because you all must understand that I'm a doctor involved in the patient care, and I have no right to divulge any information about the patient without his consent. So please forgive me if I have not taken your call. First, I would like to congratulate the wonderful team of doctors who have taken care of Sourav at the right time. They have done a fantastic job. If Sourav was in any part of the first world country, he wouldn't have got any better care than what he has received here in Calcutta in this hospital. So I would like to congratulate the entire team and the management of Woodlands Hospital and all the doctors who supported Sourav throughout his recovery. Now, what problem Sourav had? Sourav didn't have any major problem. This is the problem which most Indians experience at some point of their time. That is blockage in the coronary artery. Did he have a heart damage? No. He had a blockage and he was getting some discomfort, but at the right time he landed in the right hospital and he had the right treatment. So his heart is today as strong as it was when Sourav was 20 years old. So I would like everyone to understand that he didn't have a major cardiac event which has damaged his heart. He has a very, very strong heart. My advice is, it doesn't matter how fit you are, it doesn't matter how strong you are, it doesn't matter how fast you can run. Please get a preventive checkup done at least once in 2 years. And you can predict your heart attack 20 years ahead. I was requesting Sourav, he is in the area of sports. I was requesting Sourav to influence all the sports bodies. Anybody who's practicing in first class sports like him, they have to go for mandatory cardiac checkup, mandatory body checkup at least once in 2 years. This has to be mandated because every time a fit young person dies on a treadmill or on a football ground, the whole country gets depressed. But there is a reason this could have been prevented, this could have been predicted 10 years, 20 years earlier. And this country is blessed in having fantastic doctors, fantastic infrastructure, fantastic specialists to do all that. Use their expertise and get yourself checked.